Local public school districts are standing up to social media giants. We'll tell you why later in the show. And it looks like it's heating up here in San Diego. We'll let you know when to expect more sunshine in weather. And your chance to see your favorite artists on stage is here. We'll have more for you in entertainment. Newscene starts now. Hello, I'm Benjamin Guadarrama, and welcome to this week's edition of Newscene, a broadcast produced by the students here at San Diego City College. Every Wednesday, we bring you the top stories of the week. The San Diego mayor's budget proposal for next year looks to expand on existing priorities. Mayor Gloria proposed a $5 billion budget for fiscal year 2024. The budget focuses on infrastructure projects, including $140 million for street repairs and $39 million for parks, playgrounds, and green spaces. Other areas of focus are providing additional services to address homelessness and increase police department effectiveness. The public is invited to provide feedback on the budget proposal to the City Council on May 10th. And 2 San Diego school districts have joined 14 others in a lawsuit against major social media companies. Fran's Law Group filed a lawsuit on behalf of the districts. They claim that social media companies like TikTok and Facebook are to blame for fueling the mental health crisis among students. The lawsuit seeks to provide funding and resources needed to educate students and their districts about social media and to mitigate its negative impacts. And users of TikTok, one state government is making aggressive moves against the social media giant. Montana officials have passed a bill that would ban TikTok from being distributed online. This comes amid concerns of the Chinese government having access to private information from the devices that have the app installed. Should Montana's governor sign the bill, the ban would take effect in 2024. Users that already have the app installed will not be affected. And if tax season has you drowning in paperwork you just don't know what to do with, there is a way to get rid of it. The City of San Diego is hosting its Residential Tax Files Recycling Week at the Miramar Recycling Center. The service is entirely free for San Diego residents and is completely safe. The service will be available from today to the 25th, and the recycling center hours are 7 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. Monday to Saturday. And it's that time of year again. San Diego City College is holding its 9th annual open house. It will include campus tours, a student resource fair, and performances. The event will also feature projects and research from City College students. City's open house will take place tomorrow from 9 in the morning to 1 in the afternoon. And it's been a cloudy April, but it looks like we'll be getting more sun this week. Jillian, tell us when we could be expecting some warmer temperatures.
Thanks, Ben. So yes, we can definitely see those temperatures warming up into the weekend. So back to sunny San Diego. And we can also expect some patchy fog in the early morning, so maybe on your morning commute. And we're going to feel a slight breeze. So let's take a look at the afternoon temperatures. So what we're seeing is mostly breezy and sunny. We're seeing the warmest temperatures in the desert at 82, but mostly a beautiful day out today. So let's see what's happening tonight. Tonight, we're going to be seeing mostly 50s and 40s. We have 52 in Oceanside, 51 in Del Mar, and 52 here in San Diego. So still a pretty chilly night. If you're going out, definitely grab a jacket. And for our 5-day forecast, we're going to be seeing a lot of sunny, beautiful weather. The warmest day is going to be Friday at 78 degrees, and Saturday is Earth Day at 77 degrees. So this is a great time, to go out, maybe take a hike, go to the beach, take advantage of the beautiful weather, and, enjoy Earth. And of course, this warm weather is going to go until Monday. So we have a lot to look forward to, and that's all I have for weather. Back to you, Ben.
Thanks, Jillian. And if you've been looking forward to seeing your favorite artists at the biggest festival of the year, we've got some great news for you. We'll be sure to tell you more after the break.
Jordan knows he shouldn't eat this entire bowl of nachos, but tonight he's earned that right. Because a few hours ago, in the middle of happy hour, he recognized a sign. Not from the gods or a bolt of lightning, but from a double heart, a kissy face, and a fourth ha in ha ha ha. That's when Jordan knew he was buzzed. So when it was time to go, he got a ride home instead of driving. Be a legend like Jordan. Recognize your buzzed warning signs and get a ride home. Buzz driving is drunk driving.
As a dad, every day is a challenge.
To make sure that the time that I have, I spend with them.
It doesn't matter how tired you are,
You have to try and to teach them.
when they learn something new, and you can just see in their faces. It's such an incredible moment. It's those moments that are my favorite.
And welcome back. San Diego will be celebrating 53 years of Chicano Park. The 53rd annual Chicano Park Day will be held this Saturday from 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. The theme for this year's celebration is Kindling the New Fire. There will be live performances, car shows, and other activities. This will be the first in-person Chicano Park Day in over 3 years. And people are heading back to the desert for another weekend of music. Candice, tell us more about it.
Thanks, Vin. Coachella 2023 will begin its second week of performances starting this Friday. Headliners Bad Bunny, Frank Ocean, and Blackpink will be taking the stage once again. A handful of surprise artists are expected to perform as well. Last week, those artists were Billie Eilish and Post Malone. More than 40,000 people are expected to attend each day. Only a select amount of tickets are available for weekend 2. If you're interested in purchasing tickets, visit Coachella.com. And if you've ever wondered how impactful sound is in films, then we have a treat for you. The film screening and masterclass for Making Waves is making its way to City College. The movie reveals the hidden power of sound and cinema and introduces the unsung heroes who've helped create it. The film screening will feature a Q&A with the legendary directors and collaborators. Music at City and the RTVF team welcomes all students to come and enjoy tomorrow from 6 to 9 p.m. in building MS 162. And that's all we have for entertainment. Back to you, Ben.
Thanks, Candice. And if you're looking for a quiet place to study or read, you now have the perfect place to go 7 days a week. San Diego Public Libraries are extending operations at 14 of their 36 locations to now be open on Sundays. The new hours will be from 1 p.m. to 5 p.m. Recent career fairs allowed for libraries to fill job vacancies and open on Sundays. The libraries hope this will bring them back to pre-pandemic levels. For more information, visit sandiego.gov and search for libraries. And with beautiful weather ahead, we are reminded of the need to raise awareness and protect the Earth's natural resources for future generations. Saturday marks the 53rd Earth Day. Local events at Balboa Park include Earth Fest on Saturday and the Multicultural Earth Day celebration on Sunday. The County of San Diego Parks and Recreation and I Love a Clean San Diego are also hosting several trail hikes and cleanup events. For more information, visit sdparks.org or simply Google Earth Day events. And we have some good news for Metrolink and Amtrak riders. Train services are back and running after months of repairs caused by the storms that made the tracks shift near San Clemente. Orange County officials say the tracks were expected to reopen by February, but due to heavy rainfall, the repairs took longer than expected. With the work now completed, San Diego County, Orange County, and the Inland Empire to Los Angeles have all been reconnected. And that's all we have for this week's Newscene. You could tune in for a new show every Wednesday evening or watch anytime you want on YouTube. You can also keep up with the latest news from the entire City Times media team on sdcitytimes.com/newscene. This is Benjamin Guadarrama, and for the entire Newscene team, good night. This has been a production by the students of the Radio, Television, and Film program at San Diego City College.